Good morning. Good morning, my dear students. Last class we discussed about the sterilization and evaluation of the microorganism. Today we discuss about the biochemical test of microorganism. This is another technique by which you can identify the microorganism by the test of IMVIC, indole methyl vinyl isocitrate acid test. There is basically the four tests are involved to identify the microorganisms in the different broth culture. Next we go to the biochemical test for IMVIC test. Each of the letter is the IMVIC test stands for. One of the test, I is the indole, M is for the methyl rate, and V is the Voyages Proscior, and C is the citrate, and lower I is added for the case of pronunciation, and IMVIC is an acronym that stands for four different tests like indole test, methyl rate test, Voyages Proscior test, and citrate utilization test. So these are the four important tests to identify the microorganisms. To obtain a result of these the four tests and three test tube are incubated. Tryptophan broth or indole test or methyl red Voyages Proscior test broth and citrate Simon citrate agar IMVIT test is the employed in the identification differentiation of the member of the Enterobacteriaceae. Basically, this special type of Enterobacteriaceae can be identified by this IMVIT test by the different birth culture. And the general procedure for performing the IMVIT test and other interpretation. And generally, the culture of any members of the Enterobacteriaceae have the grow for 24 to 48 hours at 37, and the respective test can be performed. First of all, indole test. Indole is the very common ring, basically contain benzene ring along with the 5 membrane rings attached with the this is indole ring and some indole compound and indole alkaloid, which is very helpful for the anti-cancer therapy also. But in this test, this indole ring present in the tryptophan. It is performed on the sulfide indole moiety medium in the tryptophan broth or in the motility urate indole medium. Result is read after the adding the Kovacs reagents or any other suitable reagents for the test for the indole. And the positive result is indicated by the slightly pink layer at the top of the tube after the addition of Kovacs reagent. So, in case of indole test, the Kovacs reagent is the main reagent which is produce a pink color that means it is a positive. A negative result is indicate that by the lack of color changes at the top of the number after the addition of Kovacs test. So pink color is the positive test, and if no color changes, there is a negative test. Next, go through the indole test reaction. Indole test is commonly used for chemical test, as for example in the IMVIC test. Indole test helps the differentiation of Enterobacteriaceae and other organisms, and two methods are used. A conventional tube method running a overnight incubation, which identifies the weak indole producing organism, and a spot of indole test, and which detects rapid indole producing organism. Procedure of conventional tube method of indole test. Inoculate the tryptophan broth in broth culture and emulsify the isolated colony of test organism is tryptophan broth. Incubate at 37 degrees centigrade for 24 to 28 hours in the ambient air. Add 0.5 ml Kovacs reagent for the broth culture. In case of positive, the pink color ring after the addition of appropriate or Kovacs reagent, and no color changes even after the addition of appropriate reagent like Klebsiella pneumonia. In case of there is a no chance of color changes, that means it's the negative result of indole test, because Klebsiella pneumonia never produce indole or tryptophan. Procedure for the spot indole test, the two tests. Saturated a piece of filter paper with a 1% paradimethyl aminocinnamaldehyde reagent. Use a wooden stick or bacteriological loop to remove a small portion of the bacterial colony from the agar surface and rub the sample on the filter paper. Results: positive, development of the tube color within 30 seconds. Most indole positive organism turn blue within 30 seconds, and negative, no color develop. So in case of spot test there is a blue color, in case of other test in case of pink color. Next test number 2, methyl red test or MR test. Methyl red test or Voyageurs Proskauer test broth are done in the methyl red and Voyageurs Proskauer test broth, but the reagents that are added varies according to the test. Positive methyl test is the indicated by the development of the red color after the addition of methyl red. A negative methyl red test is indicated by no color changes after the addition of methyl red reagent. Methyl red test determine whether the microbes perform mixed acid fermentation when the supplies glucose. Type and production of fermentation products produced by the anaerobic fermentation of glucose are one of the key taxonomic characteristics which help for the differentiation various genera of enterobacteria. In the test, methyl red test, the type and production of fermentation products produce anaerobic fermentation of a glucose. That glucose react with the methyl red reagent and produce some specific color. KMR positive test, when the culture media turns and after the addition of because of its pH and below 4.4 and fermentation of glucose. In case of negative, when the culture media remains yellow, which occurs when the less acid in produce, pH is higher from the fermentation of glucose. This is the methyl red test. The main procedure of the methyl test, the MR-VP broth is used for the MR test and VP test. Only the addition of the reagent differ and broth test are the carries out consecutively. Inoculate 2 tubes containing MR-VP broth with a pure culture of microorganism under investigation. Incubate at 35 degrees centigrade for up to 4 days. Add about 5 drops of methyl red indicator solution for the first tube, and for Voyageurs test, Burkitt reagent is added to another tube. A positive reaction is indicated if the color of the medium changes red within the few minutes. So in case of positive, it will be red color within a few minutes. Escherichia coli, it is a negative bacteria. MR test positive because they fermented this presence of red color after the addition of methyl red. But Klebsiella, formerly the Enterobacteria agaricans, MR test is negative. The lack of color changes after the addition of methyl red. Another is the Voyageurs Proskauer test. Negative test, it indicate by the lack of color changes after the addition of Burkitt A and Burkitt B reagent. A positive Voyageurs Proskauer test indicate by the development of the red-brown color after the addition of Burkitt A and Burkitt B. So Burkitt A and Burkitt B reagent in case of Voyageurs Proskauer test. The only difference is the PV broth culture is used in case of Voyageurs Proskauer test, and the reagent is the Burkitt A. And what is the procedure? Incubate a tube, MR or VP broth with a pure culture of the test organism. Incubate for 24 hours at 35 degrees centigrade. At the end of this time, aliquot 1 ml of broth to clean the test tube. add 0.6 ml of 5% alpha naphthol, followed by 0.2 ml of 40% potassium hydroxide. It is essential for the reagent that added to the skull odor. And shake the tube gently to expose the medium to the atmospheric oxygen and allow the tube to remain distributed 10 to 15 minutes. Result and interpretation. In positive test is represented by the development of the red color of 15 minutes and more after the addition of the reagent, including the presence of diacetyl and the oxidative product of reaction. The test should not be read after the standing for over 1 hour because the negative Voyagers Parkes test may be proceeded the copper like red color and potentially result in the false positive interpretation. And the last test is the citrate test. The test is performed in the Simon citrate agar, and negative citrate utilization test is indicated by the lack of growth and color changes in the tube. A positive citrate result in the indicated by the growth and a blue color changes. And citrate utilization test is used for determining the ability of the bacteria to utilize the sodium citrate. And the procedure is the inoculate Simon citrate agar highly on the slant, because we know the slant culture. In the slant culture, generally they are sliding of this culture medium by the touching with the tip of the needle to colony that 18 to 24 hours old, and incubate 35 degrees centigrade to 37 degrees centigrade for 18 to 24 hours, and some organisms may up to 7 days for incubation due to their limited rate of growth and citrate medium. And observe the development of the blue color denoting alkalinization. Result and interpretation of the citrate utilization. Citrate positive growth will be visible on the slant surface and the medium will be intense Prussian blue color. Citrate negative, a trace or no growth will be visible, no color changes will occur, the medium will be remain the deep forest green color of the uninoculated agar medium. So thank you for your patience to listening my lecture. If you like it, please like me, or any comment, please comment in your comment box, or any question, please put your question in the Google Classroom. Thank you again for all for listening my lecture.